Waking up tomorrow. And the doctor tells you something impossible. You are not going to die at 80. You are not going to die at 100. You are going to live until you are 1,000 years old. 1,000 years. That means you were alive when Columbus discovered America. You watched empires rise and fall. You survived world wars. And you are still here today. Sounds like a dream, right? But here is what nobody tells you. A 1,000-year human lifespan would not be a gift. It would be a slow, silent nightmare. And the science behind why will change how you see your own life forever. Let's start with the biology. Because your body is not built for forever. Every single day, your cells are dividing. Replacing old tissue with new. Rebuilding bones, skin, organs. It sounds perfect. But here is the problem nobody talks about. Every time a cell divides, it makes copying errors. Tiny mutations in your DNA. At 30, your body handles them easily. At 60, they start slipping through. At 80, they are everywhere. That is why cancer rates explode after 70. That is why organs start failing. That is why the oldest verified human ever, Jean Calment of France, died at just 122 years old. Now imagine 1,000 years of these mutations. Your DNA would be unrecognizable. Your immune system would be fighting a losing war against its own cells. Your body would not be living anymore. It would just be slowly falling apart. One mutation at a time. Without radical genetic engineering. The human body hits a biological wall long before 1000. Not because we run out of willpower, but because the machine simply wears out. But let's say science solves the body. Perfect cells. Perfect organs. Perfect health. Now here is the problem nobody can solve. Your mind. Think about the people you have lost in your life. A grandparent. A friend. Maybe someone too young. That grief sits with you for years. Sometimes forever. Now imagine 1,000 years of that grief. You would watch your parents die. Your children die. Your grandchildren die. Your great-great-grandchildren die. Every single person you ever loved. Gone. While you keep going. Psychologists who study centenarians. People who live past 100. Consistently find the same thing. The greatest pain is not physical. It is the loneliness of outliving everyone you love. Now multiply that pain across 900 more years. The human mind was never designed to carry that much loss, that much grief, that much emptiness. At some point, living forever stops feeling like a gift and starts feeling like a punishment. But now zoom out completely. Because the scariest part is not personal. It is civilizational. Earth right now holds 8 billion people. We are already straining food systems, water supplies, energy grids. Now imagine nobody dies. Within a century of 1,000-year lifespans. Population projections suggest Earth could hold upward of 80 billion people. There is no food system on the planet that can sustain that. No water supply. No energy grid. The planet would crack under its own weight. But here is the darker problem. Power. Right now, systems change. Leaders get voted out. CEOs get replaced. New generations bring new ideas. New movements. New revolutions. But imagine the same billionaires controlling the same wealth for 400 years. The same political dynasties. running the same governments for 600 years. History has shown us repeatedly. Power concentrated for too long becomes tyranny. A world of 1,000-year-old humans would not be a utopia. It would be the most unequal, most controlled,